everybody.
Hi,
Welcome to another edition of
remodel your thinking.
I'm Mike and this is Molly. We're with Virtuoso Builders. And what we want to talk about today is how remodeling can be fun.
Yes, and it should be fun.
And
It should be fun.
It would be if it's with us, of course.
Oh yeah, of course.
So how can it be fun?
Well, celebrate the milestones. So if you're having a remodel done, then if the drywall is going up or your brand new countertops just went in, then celebrate those moments because that's an exciting moment. That's a moment that you've been waiting for.
A milestone.
Yeah, open up a bottle of wine or maybe order in your favorite takeout and enjoy it because that just means you're that much closer to the end product.
Right. It should
Yeah.
be enjoyable, and really the key is to look at all the positives about it and where you're going to be, where it's going to be in a month, 2 months, 3 months from now, so that this house, maybe you've been in it for a long time, and all of a sudden in a few months you're going to be in this beautiful new happy place that was an enjoyable experience as well. And that's really our goal, is to make it enjoyable for you, and we kind of take on some of the stress because that's what we get paid to do. But it really should be fun, it should be happy, and we try to make it that way for you.
Yeah. So the main thing is it's almost like if you are getting a suit tailored and you're in it while the suit is getting tailored. That's probably the best description of a remodel. But it doesn't have to be all that bad. I mean, it's not anything that is a terrible thing, and just consider these milestones and keep looking to the end goal, and we'll help you get there.
And don't sweat about the little things. That's what we take care of.
Yeah,
Just look at all the positive, good things, and it'll be awesome.
that's what we call remodeling therapy. So keep the end goal in mind, celebrate the milestones, have a little bit of fun with it, and don't worry about the little stuff. That's our job.
That's right.
That's what we do.
That's her job.
That's my job.
That's right. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of info as to how we like to